The writing was on the wall for Edward Snowden's asylum plea made to India.
You know, India has a very careful and restrictive policy on asylums. We have given asylums in the past, but we're not an open house for asylums. It's careful and a very objective policy.
The US cyber snooping whistleblower can no longer look towards India now to get refuge from a betrayed America.
Our embassy in Moscow did receive a communication from Mr. Edward Snowden. That communication did contain a request for asylum. We have carefully examined the request. Following that careful examination, we have concluded that we see no reason to accede to that request.
Snowden has already withdrawn his asylum request made to Russia because of President Vladimir Putin telling him to stop leaking US secrets if he wants to stay in his country. But according to WikiLeaks, he has sought asylum from 19 other countries. In a statement released on the WikiLeaks website, Snowden has accused US President Barack Obama of putting pressure on countries he has sought asylum from not to grant his request. Even Ecuador, which has granted protection from arrest to WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange and seemed favorable towards granting asylum to Snowden initially, seems to have developed cold feet of late, insisting the request needs to be made from its territory. But Venezuela is still backing Snowden's plea to the world. For now, the US cyber snooping whistleblower remains stuck at the transit lounge of Moscow's international airport. A man with no country, but a man who still seems to pack a lot of ammo to further embarrass the US. Bureau Report, DD News.